word has got out that I'm in Murphy's and the hotel and restaurant are full of people. I feel sorry for all of them.
Can we get something else?
What's wrong?
Their eggs are a little too tart. This is just like, it's like vinegar. Well, the chicken is really dry.
Joel is running the kitchen.
Ribs are burned, chicken's burned.
Kevin is getting busy in the bar, and Brian is overseeing the dining room.
It should be Gruyere, nice Gruyere cheese.
Gruyere?
Isn't it Gruyere cheese?
Gruyere?
Gruyere, I mean.
So guests trying to check in are left to fend for themselves.
Did we ask you to check in for the room?
Is everything okay?
Yeah, we're waiting. We went up to the front desk and there was nobody there, so trying to check in for hotel.
It's one of the owners nearby. I guess I just arrived to check in. If you can get Brian urgently or Kevin.
What about it?
About a guest checking in.
Oh, guest check-in? I can do that, too.
Yeah. Would you, please? I'm sorry. Excuse me. You shouldn't have to come looking for us in the bar. So that's what happens when guests come in late? They go to the bar looking for...
Yes, that is how we do it.
Have you ever done that? Checked in and then found the reception closed and went into the bar looking for a key?
No. I've actually only stayed at hotels probably only a matter of 20 times in my whole entire life.
Wow, and you're a hotel owner?
Yeah.
So how come you guys don't have anybody up here? We got the bartenders or servers like me sometimes taking care of it. Just sign the top there, please.
Once guests get to the rooms, they're in for another unpleasant surprise.
Let's see if that...
I know. But they have all the bar people out there.
See, this still sounds like a French game. Let's wait for the drunkards to go home before we open that up.
Have a good night.
It's very noisy in there from the bar and the street.
The owner's ignorance is evident in everything I've seen so far. I'm curious to see what it's like in the parts I haven't seen, like the walk-in fridge.
Fuck that is. Oof. Raw pork, cooked chicken, sat next to each other. Fucking disgusting. I wish I'd seen this before I had my lunch. Fine dining, it's not. Look at that, fucking. Look at the mold growing on there. Oh, you dirty fuckers. Bloody hell, there's mold all at the sides too. Oh, Jesus Christ, look at the fucking mold on that. This is absolutely disgusting.
Bollocks.
Wow, fucking hell.
So the walk-in, how often is that fridge cleaned out?
Like twice a week.
Twice a week?
Yes.
Marked? Everything out?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Come with me, all of you.
All right.
Especially the owners.
Sounds good.
Sounds good. Really? Fucking hell.
Oh, they're gnarly.
Oh, wow.
Man.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Fucking moldy tortillas. There should not be fucking any moldy fucking food. It's fucking horrible.
And when was this made?
Last Saturday. No, I need
3
it.
days ago.
Just smell that.
Need to toss it, I know that.
And this, terrible. You should be fucking ashamed.
Okay.
Okay, no, it's not okay. What is that?
This will be black mold.
What's it supposed to be?
Thai chili marinade.
Thai chili marinade.
But I don't know if it's been used in a while.
The sauces was from a chef that had been there like in 2006 or 7 or something.
This is exactly the same way as you run this fucking hotel. You don't give a shit.
I give a shit. I give a shit.
If this is your dream of running a hotel, then how about manning up and look like fucking owners?
We are. This is fucking unacceptable, and it's not going to happen anymore.
Have you checked out? Because you should do the honourable thing. Say to these two, fuck it, I'm
He has
out.
not checked out. Can you let him
talk?
I have not checked out, and obviously I need to pay more attention and do better at my job.
How many of you can run a fucking business? Do you ever see 3 CEOs, 3 fucking general managers,
No.
3 fucking executive chefs? Huh? It's like Dumber and Dumbest. Are you guys really the fucking owners?
True story.
Fuck off.